Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Infinity of Nashua, we have our 2019 Chevy Colorado ZR2. This one has beautiful wheels. These things are sick. Bilstein up front. The rears are the, are they? No, I don't know if they're Bilsteins up front. It's the Multimatic dampers. But the rear are Fox leveling shocks. So instead of the truck having a forward rake like this, it is now level, which looks absolutely awesome. These trucks are just absolute animals. Bit of a hike to get in, but we are good. I mean, those are, these tires are 70s, which is absolutely insane. Meaning it's width dash 70, so it's a 70 type sidewall. So they're beefy. Bose sound system. These things are just absolutely awesome trucks. Locking front and rear diff. ZR2 up on the headrest. Do have a backup camera. Without further ado, let's take this thing out on the road. These big beefy all-terrain tires, they're gonna make some noise. I just love the presence, especially the bulge in the hood. Oh, it just looks sick while you're going down the road. Obviously, I haven't taken this thing off-road, but with it kitted out the way it is, it's gonna be pretty darn capable. This thing's in such good shape, I don't think this thing's ever been off-road. One thing with this truck that I've noticed is most times when you put these big beefy tires on it, it completely ruins the driving experience. These almost make it better. The ZR2 always had beefy suspension, beefy tires, so these mods aren't really a compromise. When I say these mods, the modification, the tires and the rear shocks. I'm not, if anything, it makes it feel a little bit more stable. While I can't sample it on video, Bose sound system is great, functions nice. Seating position, you are very up high. Definitely doesn't feel like a mid-size truck. It feels like a full-size truck. One thing I wish the seat had a little bit more support. It's just kind of lackluster. Again, I haven't sat there and perfected the driving position for exactly what I would want. And my personal car has 18-way seats, so I think no matter what, it's not going to be exactly what I'm looking for. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.